My name is Bishop Robert Nyamwange, the current executive chair of the Kisii County House of Bishops. We are a registered entity of bishops and ministry founders. We were gathered here today for a familiarization and interaction meeting with the heads of departments from various state departments. According to our vision and mission and what we purpose to do as a House of Bishops, we are planning to bridge the gap between the church and the state. And that is why today we had a very important formal meeting with all the departmental heads in Kisii County. We are a house that plans to redeem the integrity and to redeem the face of the church, and at the same time to bring a relationship and a working relationship between the church and the government. And that is what we pray for other counties, that they should also come up with forums like these ones, so that the state recognizes the church and the church also involves the church in their doings. Other counties to follow our example, because there is power of unity between church and the state. And it is our clarion call from Kisii County as the House of Bishops to the state that our time has come that the state also must involve the church in various issues of development and management. In terms of data from NACADA today, were very scary. Very scary. Very scary to the economy of this county. Very scary even to the economy of this nation. So we've been fighting issues related to drugs, but without statistics. And that is why our meeting today was very, very important, so that we can have that interaction between the state officers and the church. But as you all know, the church is always in the front line fighting drugs. And the altar still remains sacred. That is where God speaks from. And there is that big separation between the altar and the podium. Politicians are part of the congregation, and they don't have the right to use the altar. If it has happened before, then that is a mistake that must not be repeated. Politicians fighting at Matangas is a big shame, because in Waishiniwa, such a conduct, such a behavior is retrogressive and archaic, and something that must be condemned with the strongest terms possible. We go to funerals to comfort those who have lost their beloved ones, but not to fight at funerals. That is the position